Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of Jetski's Garage, where I'm finally going to put my finger out and bolt the engine up to the gearbox and get it in the car. So a bit of specs on the engine. It's got a solid F246 cam, 351 crank, ARP rod bolts, 30 thou pistons, Edelbrock airgap manifold, MSD ignition, got a 6AL box, double pumper carb, mechanical fuel pump, tri-wire extractors. Yeah, nothing really too over the top. Crane roller rockers. Sort of, yeah, pretty basic sort of street build really. Yeah, just wanted a bit of reliability, but this one's sort of thrown together on a bit of a budget. I'm obviously doing most of the stuff myself. These parts, some of them I'd sort of bought secondhand that are still pretty much brand new. They'd only done dyno time and stuff like that. So yeah, you can, if you wait and be patient and find the right buys, you can get the right gear to put together a pretty financially friendly sort of engine. So yeah, I'll get the flywheel bolted on, get it off the stand, and then get the gearbox on and throw it in the car. So got a bit late on in the night last night. By the time I got the flywheel on and that, did the rear main seal, did a one-piece rear main seal on this one. Yeah, got to do the spigot bearing. It was a bit late, so I didn't want to be bashing away because my neighbours are pretty much right behind that fence there. So then it resonates pretty bad in the shed here. So got to call it quits for the night. So back out today to get that bearing in and carrying on. Just want to go put the pressure plate bolts in, and yeah, I've also got some ordered, but with this one you couldn't bolt it straight up to the original bolt holes, so you got to drill and tap it out, which I've done here. But the ones that got sent to me were the 5/16 ones, not the 3/8 ones. So the bolts don't fit, they actually go straight in. Nice and sloppy. So I'll do a bit of a hunt around now. Let's see if I've got any 3/8 ARP bolts spare floating around. If not, I'll just use some other ones, some high tensile bolts, and yeah, get it together. In my kit, did find some high tensile 3/8 bolts. They're all about 1 inch long. They go through quite nicely, and they're going to be the right size. So can continue on. Going to torque these up to 40 foot-pound. And yeah, just a bit of blue Loctite on them as well, just to make sure they don't fall out when they're thrashing it and dropping the clutch. Yeah, so we'll carry on. Engine box all together, ready to go in. Yeah, got some engine mounts on it as well now. Yeah, happen to find a newer version of starter motor as well, which I'm pretty happy with, rather than using the busted ass old ones. So yeah, gonna throw that in now. Well, that's it for this one. Engine's in, all done, bolted up, happy days. Got it prepped up now. Oh, it's up off the ground. So yeah, I'll be getting it ready now for getting the exhaust all done, bolted up. Just gonna go 2.5 inch exhaust, twin system the whole way through. Dump it out the back. So yeah, stay tuned next time for that one. Cheers guys.